Hello viewers, welcome to our Photoshop tutorial. Today we are going to show the process of creating Photoshop dripping effect and have some fun. So let's walk you through the process. At first, open the image where you want to create this effect. I am selecting this image. Now we have to remove the background. Before that, I am making a copy of the layer. Then I am taking the quick selection tool to select the red t-shirt girl. Let's zoom in a bit to do it properly. We have to deselect this portion. So I am pressing Alt from the keyboard and deselecting. Once the selection is done, we have to open the Refine Edge tool for smooth edges. You can see the edges are not smooth. So at first, select the On Black option from here. Then tick mark the Smart Radius and move the bar little bit to the right. You can see the change to the edges, right? Let's undo it. Look at the edges, it's rough. Now move the bar again to the right. You can see the edges are smooth again. But the hair is not smooth yet. So we have to paint the area to make it smooth. Now, in the output section, tick mark on the decontaminate color and choose new layer. You can see the background is gone. I am gonna rename the layers. I am renaming the backgroundless layer as main layer. Making a copy of the main layer by pressing Ctrl J from the keyboard. Naming the layer as duplicate and dragging the duplicate layer under the main layer. Now, I will add a gradient background to focus the effect. So, I am selecting gradient from the adjustment layer. From gradient fill, I am choosing black and white preset. You can choose whichever you like and selecting the colors now. Now you can select the radial style and you should checkmark the reverse option and scale it a little bit. Okay, I am satisfied with the background. It's time to bring the dripping effect. I am taking this image to create the dripping effect. At first, I will remove the background. So, first double click the layer to unlock it and then select the magic wand tool to select the background color and then press delete from the keyboard. The background is removed. Now go to select from the top bar and click on inverse. You can see the effect is selected. Now copy it by pressing Ctrl C and go to the main tab. Take a new layer and press Ctrl V to paste it. Now adjust it by making it smaller. Once done, drag it under the duplicate tab. Now select the duplicate layer, click the right button of the mouse and select clipping mask. Toggle up the eye from the main layer. You can see the mask is created. Now I will adjust it a bit. At this point, select the main layer. Take a layer mask from the below. Select the mask and activate it. Take the brush tool. Make sure your foreground color is black and start painting. If you remove an unwanted area, swap the color and repaint. The portion will come back. Do it slow, don't rush. You can make the brush bigger and smaller by pressing the third brackets. Now it's time to add the splash. I will add splash here and here in this area. press Ctrl J to make a duplicate of the splash. I can see few reddish marks, so I am going to remove those by activating the layer mask of the main layer. Done. You can see the dripping effect is created. You can make a group of the layers by selecting them and then pressing Ctrl G from the keyboard. Now it's perfect. To make a copy of the image that contains all the layer elements, press Ctrl Alt Shift E. See? A new layer is created containing all the elements. Now it's your time to practice. Let us know how did it go in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel to watch more tutorials like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.